So I just realized, why is there always that one girl that's always like, why do you have long hair? Like, that's the exact thing someone said to me. One day at school, I'm gonna be honest with you, her name is McKinley Brushers. Stupid last name, Brushers. BRESHEARS. Brushers. However you spell it. She was like, why do you have long hair? That's supposed to be a girl's thing. Just shut up! Like, bro, no one wants to hear you just being so annoying to the boys who have long hair like me. I got long hair. And she said that exact thing to me. Why?